Welcome to the 5th Programming Exam Solution tutorial for the Noughts and Crosses Comp 1 exam. This time we're going to look at the problem of showing whose go it is and actually showing the player's name. It's just going to be a simple selection statement, slightly strange to the other ones we've looked at so far in that it's placed in the main program rather than a procedure. We could have created a new procedure, maybe we'll look at that in another pest, but for this simple solution we're just going to whack it in the main program. We're going to be using the variable current symbol to assess whose go it is, and it's really similar to the selection statement in the main program that swaps the symbol each go. So let's go to the code and have a little look at that. So here we say if the current symbol is X, then make the current symbol equal O, and if it's not X then it must be O, therefore make the current symbol equal X. So this little thing, each time the main program loops through to let someone have a go, it swaps the symbol after their go. We're going to display the player's name just before the getMoveCoordinates procedure is called. So let's make a little bit of space, and as I said, it's a simple if statement that's basically going to look exactly like this, but very subtly similar. It's very subtly different. So if current symbol equals, and we're going to use player1 symbol. So if current symbol equals player1 symbol, then, and we've now got to think, if current symbol equals player1 symbol, then we want to display player1 name. So we're going to use player1 name. So that would simply show their name. So let's concatenate a little thing that says turn, and I've used a little apostrophe S straight after the concatenation with no spaces, so it will say Joe's turn or vice versa. And we'll have a little else statement, and I'm going to copy and paste this, but this is obviously going to be player2's name. So if the current symbol is equal to player1 symbol, then display player1's name. If it doesn't equal player1 symbol, then it must be player2's turn, so display player2's name. And that is it done. Right, we need to test it. Okay, so I've quickly set this up. Joe Bob X. Joe starts playing with X, and we can see it says Joe's turn. So to test this, it doesn't really matter what I input, it's irrelevant of an input. All I really need to do is run a complete game, and I can see that it's flicking between. Oops, I've made it crash. I've basically got it running, and I can see it's flicking between Joe and Bob's turn. That's as much testing as I need to do.